Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about class 9 Sanskrit chapter number 10, Doorkeeper's Elegance to Service. See, once the doorkeeper saw a mendicant sannyasi with a magnificent form. Then the conversation took place between them as follows. Sannyasi says, "How is it that you hate us mendicates, sannyasis also?" Doorkeeper says, "Venerable sir, I bow down to you, but no one can enter without revealing his own identity." Sannyasi says, "What you say is true. This offense of yours is forgiven. But from today you cannot stop sannyasis, scholars, celibates, women, and children." Doorkeeper says, "O sannyasi, too much has been said by you. Stop. We, the doorkeepers, do not wait for even Lord Brahma's order." Sannyasi says, "Fine, show me the way. I wish to meet your majesty." Doorkeeper says, "Not possible. You can enter in the morning, which is it, majesty's time for prayer, but not at night." Then Sannyasi says, "Is it that nobody goes in at night?" Doorkeeper says, "Nobody except those who are invited and who are known specially person like you, who indeed carry a card, go from door to door." Sannyasi says to himself, "This doorkeeper is the most suitable by all means. I shall again let me try to taste him." Aloud, "Doorkeeper, come here. I wish to tell you something." Now, doorkeeper is going near. "Please tell me ahead." Sannyasi says, "You are only a doorkeeper. Never will you be a rich man. We wander in the forest and valleys. We know the whole alchemy." Doorkeeper says, "Maybe, indeed, ahead." Sannyasi says, "If you do not stop me entering, I will give you as much chemical as you wish, which with it 50 tolas copper will turn into gold." Doorkeeper says, "Oh, you wicked one, are you advising me to betray the trust? We are not like those. Tell me who you are. Where are you coming from? I think you are someone's spy, intimating the chief of the fort. I will punish you. Having found out who you are, he will do whatever is proper." Then Sannyasi says, Leave me. I shall not come again, nor shall I tell you again like this." Ignoring it, taking his hand, the doorkeeper leads him. Sannyasi near the lamp with brighter light. "Doorkeeper, do you know me?" Then doorkeeper says, observing minutely, "Indeed, you are my master. Sir, please forgive me." Sannyasi says, placing a hand on his back, "Doorkeeper, you have been tested by me. You are appointed in the right place. People like you, who are not greedy for bribe, are fit to be rewarded. I am going to tell about your honesty to the king. Where is he? What is he doing now? Where is he and what is he doing now?" So dear students, here our translation for chapter number 7 is over. You may note down the translation in your copy. Thank you.